Good morning, children. We completed our addition chapter number 3. Now we'll continue with chapter number 4, subtraction. This is your maths textbook, page number 23. So for this you have to take notebook. In notebook we will write chapter number 4, subtraction. Write down today's date. Exercise, page number 23. Number 1, arrange vertically and subtract. So this is 3-digit number. There are some rules for doing this subtraction. Rule number 1 is the bigger number will be on the top and the smaller number will be below. And the words that we are using when we subtract is minus, subtract, find the difference and borrow, take away. Alright. So these are the key words you look for. You are using all these words while subtracting. Now rule number 2 is we start from the right hand side, the unit 1 house, and we will progress towards the 100 house because this is 3-digit number. So unit, tens and hundreds. Therefore, first we will take first question, that is question number 1, 586 minus 425. This is without borrowing. So let's take this example first. First you have to write the question, then leave one line, write unit, tens, 100, keep a gap. And very neat and clean you have to write. Question copy, unit place 6, tens place 8, 100 place 5 and say minus sign. Then write 5, unit place, tens 2 and 4 is 100 place. Now we will subtract. This is very easy to subtract. 6 minus 5. So 6 number we will take and we will subtract 5. So we will get the answer 1. Then next tens place 8 minus 2. The answer is 6. Then 100 place 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. This is very easy. We did it in 3rd standard without borrowing. Second example we will see, this is with borrowing. For when you will do this sum, what you have to do is, first you have to copy the question, 465 minus 179. Then you have to leave one line, then write unit tens 100. After writing unit tens 100, you have to leave 3 lines for borrowing. And then you have to copy the question 465 minus 179. See, first we will start with unit place. Therefore, just see this 5 minus 9. Is it possible? No. Because 5 is the smaller number and 9 is the bigger number. So this is not possible. So what I will do? I will borrow 1 from 6. So I'll go to the tens house and I'll borrow 1. So I'll cut here and I'll write 5 here and I'll take 1 from here. So here it will become 15. Now we can subtract 15 minus 9. Yes. So how you will do this subtraction? You will count after 9. After 9, see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We'll stop here. 15 because 15 number is given up. We have 15. So after counting, how you will count? After 9, see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So your answer is 6. This is the way to subtract. So your answer is 6. Now see, you can subtract 5 minus 7 you can do. 5 minus 7, is it possible? No. So what you will do, you have to again borrow, you have to cut here, you will write here 3 and you will cut here and you will write here 5. So you will get 15 here. 15 minus 7 you have to do. Now what you will do, you count after 7. So 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See the answer is 8. Okay. So you will write 8 here. Now 3 minus 1 you can do? Yes. So 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. This is the way to subtract. Okay. Same way we will do the third question. Third question is 542 minus 351. Okay. Now, same way you have to copy the question. Write unit tens 100, leave 3 lines, again copy the question neatly, unit place, tens place and 100 place. Now you have to subtract. Now 2 minus 1, yes we can do 2 minus 1, the answer is 1. Then 4 minus 5, is it possible to subtract bigger number from smaller number? No. So what we will do, we will borrow 1 from 100 place, we will write here 14 and we will write here 4 as 100 has given 1 to tens. Now 14 minus 5, how we will do? See, after 5 you have to count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have answer 9. Same way 4 minus 3, yes we can do 4 minus 1, 2, 3. The answer is 1. Now number 4. 754 minus 287. Same way, copy the question, unit tens 100, leave 3 lines, copy the question according to place wise and then subtract. Now, 4 minus 7 we can do? No. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from tens place. We will write here 14 and we will write here 4. Now 14 minus 7 we will do. So how we will do this? After 7 we will count 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 7. 4 minus 8 now we can do? No. So again we will borrow from here. Here it will become 6 and we will write here 14. So 14 minus 8. How we will do? After 8 we will count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 6. Now 6 minus 2. 6 minus 1, 2. The answer is 4. Same way we will do question number 5. 500 minus 365. See here. Unit tens 100. Leave 3 lines. Now 0 minus 5. Is it possible? No. What we will do? We will go to tens house. Tens again here 0. So what we will do? We will go to 100 house. So 100 house, this house will give 1 to tens. So here it will become 10 and here in 100 place it will become 4 because 100 has given 1 to tens. Now tens will give 1 to unit place. So here it will become 9 and here it will become 10. Understood? Now 10 minus 5. How we will do? 5 after we will count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your answer is 5. Here 9 minus 6. We will take 9 in your finger and minus 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your answer is 3. Here 4 minus 3. 4 minus 1, 2, 3. Your answer is 1. Same way we will do question number 6. 502 minus 307. 2 minus 7. Is it possible? No. Again we will go to tens place. Here 0. Tens will go in 100 house. So 100 will give 1. So here it will become 10 and here it will become 4. 10 place will give 1 to unit place. Here it will become 12 and here it will become 9. 12 minus 7. So 7 after we will count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Your answer is 5. 9 minus 0. Any number if we will subtract in that number with 0 means 9 minus 0. Your answer will be 9 only. That number only. Next. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means 1, 2, 3. The answer is 1. So this we have completed. Now question number 2 from your maths textbook. See question number 2. This question you have to copy in your maths notebook. New page. Okay. So I have written here in new page. Write down today's date. And write here question number 2. If 400 minus 100 equals to 300, comma, solve 477 minus 177, full stop, write 3 subtraction problem with the answer 200. Understood this question? See what you have to do. Here it is given that 400 minus 100 means you will get the answer 300. So first you have to solve this 477 minus 177. So this is your first question. Then what you have to do? You have to do 3 subtraction problem and with answer 200 means all the 3 subtraction problem answer will be 200. First we will solve this 477 minus 177. So first I have written here unit tens 100. 477 minus 177. 7 minus 7 0. 7 minus 7 again 0. Then 4 minus 1 the answer is 3. Now you have to do 3 subtraction problem with the answer 200. So I have taken again unit tens 100. I have taken 500 minus 300. So I will get the answer 200. Say 0 minus 0 0. Again 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 3. My answer is 200. As they asked for answer 200. So I got answer 200 here. Third question again I have written 700 minus 400, here again 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 5, 2. So my answer is 200, as they told that they want 3 subtraction problem with the answer 200. So my first answer is also 200. This answer I have also got 200. Last one also I have to do with the answer 200. So unit tens 100, I have written 300 minus 100. So 0 minus 0, 0, again 0 minus 0, 0, and here 3 minus 1, I'll get the answer 200. So all 3 answer I got with the answer 200 as they asked in question. Understood? Okay. Thank you.
In previous video, we have already done the exercise question number 1 and 2 on page number 23. In this exercise, question number 3 and 4 we will do at the end of this chapter with word problems, and question number 5 and 6 is omitted for you. Now in this video, we are going to start subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrowing. So open your notebook and write down today's date in neat and clean handwriting. We are going to start subtraction page number 24 exercise. In this exercise, question number 1 is given, subtract the following. Now see, the question number 1 is given 5,600 minus 2,300. In this examples, already arrangement of the numbers place wise is given for you. So you have to directly subtract the numbers. Now see, this place is units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So here given 5,600 minus 2,300. Now we will start our subtraction from units place. 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. In tens place also 0 minus 0. The answer will be 0. In hundreds place 6 minus 3 is there. So see how to subtract. Take 6 minus 3. So remaining 3. So write down 3 in hundreds place. In thousands place 5 minus 2 is there. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So write down 3 in thousands. So our answer is 3,300. Now moving to the next question number 2, 5,795 minus 180. So in unit place you can see 5 minus 0. So when from any number 0 will be subtracted, the answer will be that number itself. So answer is 5 minus 0 is 5. Now in tens place 9 minus 8. So see, 9 minus 8 is 1. So write down 1 in tens place. And in hundreds place 7 minus 1 is there. So 7 minus 1. 6 is remaining. So write down 6 in hundreds place. And in thousands place only 5 is there. So write down 5 in thousands place. So our answer is 5,615. Now question number 3. In units place 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So write down 5 in units place. In tens place 8 minus 5 is there. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So write down 3 in tens place. In hundreds place 5 minus 3. We have to subtract 3 from 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So write down 2 in hundreds place. And in thousands place 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 1,235. So in this way you have to subtract the numbers. Number 2, arrange horizontally and subtract. So arrangement is already given to you. Just we have to write the places to the number. So this first number is 5,555 minus 2,222. So see, in this number 5 is in unit place. This 5 is in tens place. This 5 is in hundreds place. And this 5 is in thousands place. And in second number, this 2 is in units place, this 2 is in tens place, this 2 is in hundreds place, and this 2 is in thousands place. So while doing the subtraction in horizontal arrangement, we will subtract units to units, tens to tens, hundreds to hundreds, and thousands to thousands. So first we will do the subtraction of units place. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So we will write 3 in units place. In tens place also see 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is again 3. So write down 3 in tens place. In hundreds place 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is also 3. So write down 3 in hundreds place. And in thousands place 5 is there. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So write down 3 in thousands place. So our answer is 3333. Now see the second example. 8740 minus 3520. So again we will arrange the numbers place wise. So 0 is in units place, 4 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place and 8 is in thousands place. And in second number 0 is in units place, 2 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place and 3 is in thousands place. So now we will start our subtraction from units place. So we will subtract units to units, means 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So write down 0 in units place. In tens place 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So write down 2 in tens place. In hundreds place 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So write down 2 in hundreds place. And see in thousands place 8 is there, and here in thousands place 3 is there. So we will subtract 3 from 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So write down 5 in thousands place. So our answer is 5220. Now next third number question is 9586 minus 432. So see in this first number 6 is in units place, 8 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place and 9 is in thousands place. And in second number 2 is in units place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place and in thousands place not a single number is there. So we will subtract units to units, that is 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So write down 4 in units place. In tens place 8 is there and here 3 is there. So we will subtract 3 from 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So write down 5 in tens place. In hundreds place 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So in hundreds place we will write 1. And in thousands place only 9 is there, and second number in thousands place not a single number is there. So we will directly write down 9 in thousands place. So our answer is 9154. Now next question is 3256 minus 24. So we will arrange the number place wise. So see 6 is in units place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place and 3 is in thousands place. And in second number 4 is in units place and 2 is in tens place. There is no hundred and thousand number is given. So we'll subtract units to unit, that is 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So write down 2 in units place. In tens place 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So write down 3 in tens place. In hundreds place only 2 is there. So write down directly 2 in hundreds place. And in thousands place also only 3 is there. So directly write down 3 in thousands place. So our answer is 3232. Now moving to the next question number 3. If 5000 minus 2000 is equal to 3000, then 5888 minus 2888 is equal to how many? So we have to arrange this question vertically and then we will subtract. So see, first we will write the number place wise, units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So first write down the first number 5888 and minus second number is 2888. So start your subtraction from unit place. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So write down 0 in units place. In tens place also 8 minus 8 is there. So again 8 minus 8 is 0. So write down 0 in tens place. In hundreds place also 8 minus 8 is 0. So again write down 0 in hundreds place. And in thousands place 5 minus 2 is there. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So answer is 3000. So in this way you have to do this sum. question number 4. Write the 3 subtraction problems with the answer 2000. Means you have to make the question and the answer should be 2000. So you know that 5 minus 3 will be 2. So we can write 5000 minus 3000 is equal to 2000. So we have to arrange this question vertically. Arrange that number 5000 and 3000 place wise. So see, the bigger number is on upper side and smaller number will be on lower side, and arrange that number unit, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we'll write 5000 minus 3000. So our answer will be in unit place 0 minus 0 is 0. In tens place 0 minus 0 is 0. In hundred place 0 minus 0 is 0. And in thousands place 5 minus 3 is 2. So see, our answer is 2000. Now second question will be, you know that 7 minus 5 is 2. So we can write 7000 minus 5000. So arrange the same numbers place wise vertically and then do the subtraction. So see, in units place 0 minus 0 0. In tens place 0 minus 0 is 0. In hundreds place 0 minus 0 is 0. And in thousands place 7 minus 5 is 2. So you can see here our answer is 2000. Now our third question is 9 minus 7. You know that 9 minus 7 will be 2. So we can write 9000 minus 7000. So 9000 minus 7000, how many? See, your arrangement will be vertically and write them place wise. 0 minus 0 is 0. In tens place 0 minus 0 is 0. In hundreds place 0 minus 0 is 0. And in thousands place 9 minus 7 is 2. So this is our answer 2000. So you can see all the answers of the given questions are 2000. So we will make the question like this. Now students, question number 5 and 6 is omitted for you. We will see the subtraction by borrowing in next video lessons. Thank you.